Matthias Ezak, I have repeated it again. Don't allow the enemy of Igbos to use you to bring trouble, religious war, one in Igbo land. Don't allow it. Before you build your own. Before you build nkego na achieve position now. Nkego na achieve religious war na this Igbo land. Nkego na achieve put with violence na this Igbo land. Stop it. And don't allow the enemy of Igbos to use you. Don't allow the enemy of Igbos to use you to bring trouble among the Igbos. Even in Yoruba, even in Christianity, top ministers of God on Nigeria, Africa, in the world, Igagota Yoruba 5 or more than 5. Christianity, hang on Christianity. Even a Muslim, New Yoruba, with a population of Muslim. Even under the balance. Now. But father are born of Mba, Unendi boss are born of Mba right now. By starting Hanagan, Ndoka and Dominana, na social media. I'm on here name Undi. Now let me tell you something. The enemies of Igbos, on one Haji Chok Igbo, we one love and one mind. Because often I one love, one mind, I get pull this mountain. Nehene Makabiafra right now. Omego Nandi Kana list. Opolo Nandi Kano, since Opolo Nandi Kano, Gwanene Agazi now, na Biafra struggle. Nunca quote at home, Nunke quote is nothing like stat home, Nunke quote or God. Many groups, confusion. Why? Because the hand of the enemy of Igbo Abatagon is struggling. Now has everything on amazing. Now has everything on the Afu Nandi Kano Tala for many years. Neka has us right now. Though Opolo this thing can actually come okay. Now, Obeze in Igbo land, I suppose in one love and one mind to pull down the mountain. Obeze na what misunderstand them. Ndomana na Andoka. Matthias ebido zenke na naga. Mako Matthias says akuku sunata na bia ndi you to get bido po church oku na Igbo. Many things na so ihe onye na-ekuzi obuzu ko na ka onye na kedu bonya na abasi now because okwu ye na weziro na osa right now. So the way Matthias say move now, don't be surprised because on a bute on a check cause religious war and Igbo. On a check cause kanando man trouble na this Igbo. Come having one love and one mind in the Igbo land. Don't be surprised in this man gana me. Na ndi lo ndi Igbo bundu Francis ga biakwa use po for Igbo. When enyo Igbo an he go see anapodo this guy na Matthias Ezak. Onye Igbo an we ke Matthias Ezak na phone see ga wani lo I no nyego. Na say this guy millions of naira. Ku okwu ineku o mana na ga de. Mana mola na that thing nwere boss abia ka o wete nkewa na Igbo nkewa na Igbo. Matthias says that we are trying only one na this of foundation money say nyendo modaka is good but now unu ndi Igbo say biti here on achieve the trouble and no one love. Nda Hausa we Christians when the Muslim when the Ekpara nsi mana hari abongo femba oni Igbo sabongo femba why oji beza na Igbo do iche why oji beza na nke ndi Igbo ni apiche every day on apiche Ndoka Jesus menenka onye Christian nwo une bupta picture onye ahụ si ya I believe na Jesus ngwa why Jesus eji make hale enwu ke une me ifa na puzi n'ihe ọzọ ama m ihe njekwu maka ifa ihe na puzi kwa n'ihe ọ ihe na chip kwa na nothing mu anu ngom nekwu ya ma dezi njekwu okwu a Matthias Ezak ana m agwago don't allow the enemy of Igbos use go where religious one and Igbo. Matthias Ezak, don't allow the enemy of Igbos use go where we think because the enemy of Igbos only mo have you and Igbo one love and one mind. Even a prayers na ball. Even a prayers. Only ndo Muslim na ba when the Christians when the balance when many religious. Man have been a few ka haba ball. He one mind and one love ka how score or goal. All your person and Igbo. I get one phobia. On na be a religious scatter everything. Scatter everything. Get free enemies on social media now. J Park, Maskibo, all these comedians and all these people, Mando, and all of them, hang over one mind. You know, Wofoku, Yemona, ha condemn where. Man, like now, you are able to think. Yeah, if you're broken, on a board on social media, on a board physical. On a board, indeed, we can hear him indeed will be far. I can do your back, but I don't say. I can do your back, okay. Can you can do your back, man? Man, do your before if you do your back and first water. Can you remember me think? Oh, man, I hear, man. Oge I on email right now in Igbo land. Bu oge ndi Igbo niile supposed to in one mind and one love to stand because of what is happening in this country and because of what is happening in Igbo land. Oga Boga is posing one love and one mind. But right now, Nkewa, Biafra struggle, Nkewa, religious, Nkewa, what is going on in this Igbo land? So Nkewa kwa. Kezi, how can we stand? How can we stand? And don't allow the enemy of Igbos to use you. Don't allow the enemy of Igbos to use you to bring trouble among the Igbos. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagaba. Shalom.